Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready? Today we're going to be watching more Sidemen. I don't even know what it's called. Sidemen Speed Eating Challenge.
Because why not?
Olivia actually wanted to watch this, so we're going to watch what Olivia wants to watch.
Because she ain't a bully.
It should be the other way around. I mean, he's not a bully.
Yeah, because you're not a bully.
No, I'm not a bully.
You're letting me watch what I want.
Yeah.
Because you're not a bully.
Oh yeah, okay.
So whoever you are, get lost. I'm joking.
You know what? Come here.
But serious though, she ain't a bully, like, get a grip.
I'm far from one. I always try to be the best version of myself every single day.
Same with me.
Just saying, because, you know, big girl and all that. Yeah, I'll be very good at eating. Just saying.
Also, we're sorry about the lighting. We don't know what's going on.
We'll get it sorted for Thursday.
Like, I look like I've got, like...
We don't like with flipping
been to Ibiza.
symptoms. Oh, okay, that was a big difference. I'm saying symptoms. Simpsons. Oh my
Shut up
god.
and play the video.
Hello and welcome to Sidemen. How fast can you eat faster than the other team challenge? Woo! We are going to have team captains today. Josh and Toby, you are team captains. And you're going to be picking your team based on what they're going to be eating. Oh. So, you're going to have to pick a teammate to eat crackers. And we're going to start with you, Josh. Who do you want to pick?
They're dry.
Huh?
Ethan. What to eat crackers? Bro, you're going to choose me to eat crackers. Look in.
Thank you. Thank you. Toby, who would you like?
To eat the crackers.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a funny answer. There's a very funny answer. That's what I thought Josh was going to do, but no, I'm eating the crackers. Eat some crackers.
Oh, man. All right, Toby, you get to pick again. Who do you want on the Happy Meal?
I want the Happy Meal.
Now you have to pick someone.
I want the Happy Meal.
You have to pick one of these two fine gentlemen for the Happy Meal.
So you're making me eat watermelon?
Yeah.
Oh.
I remember that.
Oh, you see?
Watermelon sugar?
I want Simon. What? We're swapping it.
Hey? What?
Wasted.
I got Harry.
I was so ballless.
Because no matter what happened, he was picking you.
I wasn't. I was going to pick this man.
Let Ethan, you dust
Eat up, pigs.
I don't like watermelon.
Eat up pigs.
At the end, open your mouth. You got to check. There's nothing.
No, I'm not.
there's going to be stuff in there.
The desert in a food item is this. Not even a bit of cheese.
If you need help, right? I'll spit in your mouth.
Guys.
Of course he says it.
Oh.
Oh, I don't care anyway. Here you go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go on, JJ.
Come on. Oh, God.
yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
I hate
Just
eating
got, wait, what?
crackers.
Did you get all in one bite?
Just focus, man.
JJ's already got
one in as well.
It's dry, though.
JJ, he's got it, but he's going for volume. Yeah.
So is Ethan.
Yeah, like, oh no.
Careful with the crunch.
He's right out his own mouth.
I was going to say, it's not
Who do you think is going to win? I think Ethan. I think Ethan.
You know a lot about this.
Swallowing. I'm liking this, though, Ethan. I'm liking this. Clean.
I swear to God, he's adverts.
He's in Zen mode, flow state.
He's going to cry.
Nice.
You might.
Oh wait, I didn't realise.
JJ's head right now. Legacy.
There's this thing I always say. I always just shout legacy. I shout legacy in my head repeatedly, and it just brings this energy. All the money, fame, well, but legacy, that's what people go, yes, this is KSI. This is what he did.
This is your legacy, JJ.
You can't lose to this man.
Bro, swallow!
Spit in his mouth.
Told you before! Swallow!
Yeah, you got this, man. Keep munching. Keep munching.
Keep munching. And that's helping him.
Yeah.
He needs to swallow it. It's like helping him.
He's lost.
No, not necessarily. He's got a whole hell of it in his mouth.
He's got like,
of them in his mouth.
If he gulps now, he'd have
Sorry, I'm gorming.
2.5 crackers in his mouth.
Come on, you got this.
He's used to having one cracker in his mouth.
Oh no.
That's my go.
It's my go. Just swallow. He's done it.
Yeah,
He's done it.
that's pretty clean.
Clean his teeth as well.
Cheers.
He's mocking it.
Bro, have you seen this guy eat any meal?
I was right.
You take bites.
And he's wondering why I picked him.
Winner!
That was a good effort.
You wonder why I
I
picked
thought he was going to put JJ would. I don't know. For a split second, I did go to JJ, but I was like, no. I did think that he was
By
going
the
to
way,
win.
I was like manipulating the stodge in my mouth and then just
gulleting it, like.
He just described swallowing.
I like rolled it into.
How many times does one advert need to get on?
Where I was like, I could probably get this down my throat.
Oh,
So,
wow.
He
Experience the things down his throat.
Well done. He's still going.
This is the end of the video.
Well, your team's won, Josh. Well done.
Oh, see, I know what I'm doing.
Go yeah, Messi.
Here's lunch, boys.
I don't like
Toby, I'm
watermelon.
just saying, if you
I don't
do this
like
right,
watermelon.
if you do this right, you can get.
I don't know what one.
Yeah, true.
You don't win this.
Josh, if you win this, yeah,
Hey,
against Toby.
Why?
No, I'm joking.
All right.
Who will finish? So what is the finishing point?
Just
It's
the
got
rind.
to be all the way down to green.
It's got to be
Yeah.
quite clean, right?
No
Yeah.
red.
The rind.
No red.
That's a lot of watermelon, isn't it?
I don't like watermelon.
Okay.
Do you like it?
What do you
I don't like it.
You seem very
I don't like it either. I like it.
Like a soft puppy.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
All righty.
I'm saying it's wet. Mine was
What was
fucking like. You want to wash it down? You want to wash it down?
Why am I so nervous?
We will begin in 3, 2,
My heart's racing.
1.
I'm gonna eat
Go. Oh,
Jesus
Toby.
Christ.
Toby's got a technique. Now you do bigger goals, Josh. Come on.
He dropped some. He dropped some.
Oh my god.
Go, Josh.
They're tanking it. Toby's
Single ladies out there.
Single
Oh my god. They're going really fast. If it don't,
ladies out there, bro.
Toby was
I think Toby is fine.
Hey, Toby,
Yeah, Toby, my God.
You're black, bro. You're black. You don't even like watermelon.
They really don't like it. He actually fucking hates
Lads, I
it.
think he's done.
Yeah.
Toby's
that
coming
enough?
cock out.
Yeah, that's enough.
Doesn't even like it. It's gone.
You eat like hamster.
Yeah.
Hey, only.
He feels like he's
Oh,
playing.
he jumped on his shoes.
What?
Oh.
And look at the mess you've made as well on your beard, bro. That was a sham, bro. That was a sham. Get away from me, you sticky hands, bro.
Josh's mouth is like a smoothie machine. He's just dripping out
Yeah,
of
like
his
we
mouth.
got it. Hey, Toby's mouthfuls were like. You was like going.
First 3 bites got rid of them. All of them.
There's so much fucking stuff.
Well done, Tobes.
And it's a tie game.
Hi, game.
Wow.
Pressure.
Almost like we set it up.
Time for the final round. Tiebreaker.
Wait, so do you have to eat the toy as well?
That's an added bonus. You know?
No.
Do we have to eat the pickles?
Everything.
Wait, you say everything, there's paper in there.
Yeah, the box as well.
I'm not eating a cheeseburger.
No. All the
To be
food
fair,
in the
wouldn't
box.
you think
You can't
that half
open
meal
it.
would be very
Open
easy
it,
to
unwrap
eat?
it, eat
I
it
can eat
all.
them
Lads,
well
I'm not a
fast,
fast
I'm not gonna lie.
But you will be a happy one.
I will be a happy
Guys, you
one.
want to see
Commence
that? Yeah.
in 3,
We're going to do it on the
2,
other channel now.
1. Go.
No, I don't like eating in front of people, no thanks.
Okay, it's a burger.
Oh, why is this one advert
Yeah,
keep
yeah,
popping
yeah.
up?
Burgers. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone out.
Yeah,
God,
Harry's one, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's fine.
Manipulate the stone.
Just eat the pickle.
Squish it. Squish the
Is it a pickle you're struggling with?
I'm sorry, Simon.
Come on, you got it. You
I
got it.
believe in you, Simon.
Okay, he's almost finished the whole burger.
Pickles, this is grim.
I mean, you got this. I'm so sorry I made you do that.
Walla, get that down your throat.
Oh, yes, now.
Yeah.
Yes, now.
Squash
Yes, yeah, now squish them chips together in the packet, yeah? Like that, and then whole thing.
Big potato.
Yeah. Now,
Yo.
up again, yeah. Let's go nuts.
They're going to kill him.
Let's go yam that potato.
Yeah.
All of it.
It's
Yam
just a
potato.
big potato. Yeah.
You got this, bro.
Yeah.
Support our boy.
No way.
Support our we got this. Yeah! Spawn! You filthy beast! Oh, and the toy! I'm gonna eat the toy too!
I'm gonna eat the toy.
You have to play with the toy.
What's that?
Simon with a late comeback, maybe? Maybe?
Get it down your fucking neck now!
Chew.
Eat like you've never eaten before!
Chew.
You had 3 pastas in a day!
Sam, you just take you for dinner.
Did you want to say I'll take you to dinner?
Follow it! Follow it!
You see pride.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
You were close.
That's literally how I demolished them.
I thought this was like a fruit bag or something.
And the final round for only 1 point, meaning you guys can tie, you guys can win. It's the cake race, and you can pick whoever you want.
Wait, I thought that
to eat
was
this
the last
very
one.
expensive cake made to be enjoyed.
If there's anyone who can hoover food, it's you.
Yeah.
They might as well call you Henry.
Yeah.
Bez is gonna have to get his MyFitnessPal out.
Look, just know
Crazy.
this, right? Just know this. Even if either we win or he loses. Right? Have you seen his MyFitnessPal thing? He's a loser regardless if he eats it.
I think I had the easiest one. You struggled with the crackers.
Yeah.
You had to base pickles. I'll do it for the boys.
Jeez.
No, handshake. You all.
This is
Go on, paper, scissors. It's gone wrong.
Come on, Tobes.
All right.
I think
Hands back.
Ethan's gonna win.
Glucose man
Who do you
himself
think?
steps up to the plate.
We'll call it.
Toby.
You think Toby? I think Ethan.
This might be his benefit.
It is Ethan.
Look, he's not glucose, man.
And the round begins. 3, 2, 1, go.
I mean, he had them.
He did start.
Ethan's letting himself down here.
That was a bit of a false
Jesus
start.
Christ. I got attacked.
He's
Holy
quite slow
shit,
anyway.
boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, we ain't. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks fucking nice, you know.
What the fuck is inside it?
Open up to the
vile.
camera, let them know.
Is it actually vile?
Bit awkward.
Hold up.
It can't be that bad, right?
Wait, man, the team!
Hey, come on,
No!
Let me have a try this.
All right, well, yeah. That's...
That was one of the saddest things I've ever seen.
I know my team. No, my team.
Really sad.
That was really odd.
Bro, there was a half-eaten chocolate cake on the floor for no reason.
You ran after it. That's foul. I'm just
Tommy's there!
Now it's 2-2.
Wait, what's in the Happy Meal? What's the toy?
We could throw it at something and it closest wins.
Wait, let's do the double.
Why don't you take that?
Let's play darts.
Magic the wall broke.
There we go. Best of one.
Toby, you are a veteran.
And you can throw it from where?
Please, guys.
So we'll
You have to
throw
sit
it,
back
they
on
have
the
to
sofa.
throw it from the same place.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
it's
back on the
closest
sofa.
to the wall.
Your back's
What if it hits the wall?
You be sat back in the sofa.
You're allowed to hit the wall.
You're allowed to hit the ball. That's just, you're close, right?
Yeah,
It might bounce off the wall and
Yeah.
come back.
And it's measured from how far you end up away from
where it
it.
lands, yeah.
Furthest away.
Harry, do you want to go first?
I'll go first, yeah.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Bro, I'm saying you.
Dan.
I think, look, you've carried us this far.
I actually do think
Exactly.
it's Toby that's gonna win. Because your team, yeah. I
I've
think
got to throw it from
only
there.
on this one.
here, like with...
Shit cake.
He's
Shit
just sit the same
crackers.
position.
Yeah, I'll sit
Here you go, Harry.
Sit next to me, Tom. Ruin my day now.
Throw in
That's
3,
such a hard life.
2,
I do, you know?
1, go.
Oh,
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but it ain't great. It's not great. It's not the best. It's not great.
Whatever you do, we're proud of you.
It's so soppy nonsense. Wait,
You ate a cracker and you're crying.
Shush. Give me a count now.
3.
100. 99. 88.
What?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's won.
I think
no, yeah. I said
wins.
it's Toby.
Fuck out of here, boy.
How's that, fatties?
Just at the end. How's that, patties? Oh my god. I hope that you liked Olivia's suggestion. We also will be doing the suggestion list like Thursday. I lagged then.
I couldn't think. I was off in the world.
No, I went there too. I looked over there like that was going to give me some inspiration or something.
Oh.
Yeah, it was funny. Like we always say, Sidemen never get old. We love their content. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to help the channel grow. Put your suggestions in the community box and we will get through it, I promise you. Until next one, guys. Bye! Why did you smack?